This video is my response to a recent social media post that you should never ever warm up your vehicle for more than a few seconds. I shot this recently on a 15-degree Fahrenheit day when we'd had a few inches of snow to show people the process of clearing a car in a snowy climate and particularly how long it takes. First, I clear off the door so I can get in, start the engine so that it can build up enough heat to defrost the windshield, especially if there's been freezing rain or a lot of snow melt that's refrozen. Have my weapon of choice. The timer in the upper left is time since engine start. That's true even when the video accelerates. If there's any ambiguity or if there's any question in the editing, then the timer disappears. Defrost. Full fan. Leaving the keys in it. If the car is clear and safe to drive, by all means, get in, put on your seatbelt, start the engine, and after the 30-second warm-up, drive away. That's great. But in a colder climate, when there's been snow and especially ice, warming up the engine is a part of getting the windshield clear quickly and efficiently, and it's absolutely part of the process as I'm demonstrating here. And idling the car itself does not damage the engine. That idea is just complete nonsense. Idling is a design point of the engine. People idle their cars in traffic all the time. Police officers idle their cars waiting for speeders all the time. It's not a problem. So don't bug people about it when they're clearing their cars for winter. I just looked at my reflection in the window and I realized I looked like Kenny from South Park. It's been, I don't know, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, something like that. The temperature gauge is just above cold. So the windows have a little bit of underlying ice on them. I got most of the snow off. This is still ice. This is warmed up enough so that there's enough heat coming out of the defrost that it's now warming the bottom of the windshield. And so I'm gonna let it sit there and run for a little bit more just as a demo. So yes, modern car engines do not need a long warm-up time. Don't waste gas unnecessarily. In most circumstances, get into the car, put on your seatbelt, start the engine, and drive away. But understand that when real winter weather has happened, the heat from the engine on the windshield helps clear off the windows, and it actually makes the process faster, and complaining about it just makes you sound stupid. This is basically liquid. So at this point, if I had heavy ice cover on the windshield, it would now be loose and I could just scrape it off easily rather than having to chip it. Yeah, we're in the operating range. That is what we Minnesotans or transplant Minnesotans are doing when we warm up the car. That's what it's for. That's why we do it. And also that means that there's some heat inside as well, although that's a secondary effect. I want to get all the snow off the car and be able to get the ice efficiently off the windshield so that I can have it completely clear for driving. This was almost all pure snow, although very, very cold temperatures. If you had real ice, removal would take longer. 2 or 3 inches of snow and teen temperatures is something that happens in Minnesota. Oh, definitely a couple of dozen times a winter. I want you to stay warm. I want you to call your Congress critters and tell them what you think. Stay safe, stay warm, stay inside when you can, and never stop figuring stuff out. Hey, Arthur. You want to help me shovel the car out?